Hello friends, welcome to Sana's kitchen. Today we are going to make Rava Appam. So now let's see how to make it. Take a blender, add 1.5 cup rava with sooji, add 3 tablespoon wheat flour, 2 tablespoon sugar, then goes salt, add half teaspoon of instant dry yeast. Totally I will add 2 cups of lukewarm water. First I'll add 1.5 cup of water. Make sure the water is lukewarm so that yeast gets fermented well. So now give it a good mix. Then add in the remaining half cup of lukewarm water and mix well. Now blend it to a smooth paste and transfer it to a mixing bowl. Give it a mix so that everything gets well combined. Now cover and let it rest for 30 minutes or until the batter is well fermented. So it's been 30 minutes and the batter is well fermented and it turned frothy. Give it a slight mix. Now let's make Rava Appam. Heat a tawa. Once tawa is heated, pour 1.5 ladle of batter and spread it slightly. It should be thick. Once holes appears, cover and cook it in a medium flame for 1 minute. The top layer changes from white to brown. So the appam is ready. Now remove it out from the tawa. Likewise make the remaining appams. That's it. Our rava appam is ready.